Hey koala. It's a nice dog, isn't it? I'm trying to turn off the autofocus, but OBS isn't letting me do anything for some reason. I don't know why. I've restarted it several times. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go, finally. There we go. You can pet the dog. Pet that dog as much as you like. Just, you know, don't come crying to me if your hand gets bitten off or, like, you lose your soul or something like that. Woo! Right. I'm gonna start by taking away all this stuff around the big foot in the middle. What should I do? Say he's got to go, 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 Godzilla. Let's do this start with the one in the middle. Godzilla. The problem is, when I get my jacket off because it's so freaking hot. The problem is, getting this bit underneath taken off without breaking this foot off the rest of the leg. That's the problem. Probably have to use the Dremel to do that, I should think. Before I do that, I've got to get more material off from around the foot, so... totally fine. I know exactly what I'm doing. Nothing can go wrong. The year 2525. If man is still alive, if woman can survive, they may find 2535. Truth, tell no lie. Do and say you look today in the year 2545. That was close. For some reason, I wanted to split round the back there. I think. Let's have a look here. Yeah, I think I can put this through the bandsaw, so we could trim that down even further. Whoa, whoa. In the year 3510, if God's a coming, you better make it by then. And it's a fancy for the judgment day. Year 3510. And start again. Whoa, whoa. Alright, music stream, yeah. That's what this is now, Koala. No one cares about the carving. It's radio. Alright, I'm going to vanish for a couple of minutes. I will be back though. I think I do. Don't I have a weird little thing to put up for BRB? A really badly done thing. There we go. Cut on wood somewhere. Oh, that doesn't show up over there. There we go. Okay. I cut it a lot on the saw. So, because this foot is angled kind of upwards, what I'm going to do is put dowels in each foot that go straight down. Then I'll push it down into the wood, and then I'll carve out little bits so that these feet settle in further into the wood, and then that way it'll look like it's kind of like trudging through like a muddy surface or something, because some of the foot will be sunk further down in the wood or something. But that'll have to be figured out after we got this problem first, which is to clean up the bottom of the feet so that they make actual contact with the wood underneath. So baby will last, come home to me. Baby will last, come home. Baby will last, come home with me. Baby will last. Good song. And in the shadow, then love, then light. And if you don't love me now, never love me again, I can still hear you saying you could never break the chain. Love me again, I can still hear you saying break the chain. Listen to the wind blow. never break the chain. You see, you will never break the chain. Wow, 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 wow. Oops. I need that bit for now. Right. It's Dremelin time, as the Power Rangers always used to say. Where is the Dremel? Oh, it's up in here, isn't it? I mean, this is the Dremel box. I need the Dremel, a big Dremel bit to carve this stuff on. Where is the frickin'? There we go. Yeah, keep us together. Will this do stuff? I have no idea. Let's have a look. Keep us together. No, I don't want scissors, I want pliers. I can't get to sleep. I think about the implication. Too deep. Complication. Especially at night. Day after day it reappears. Right. It is mask and thingy time. I need to hang this somewhere else, don't I? This is... Will it work there? I suppose it will. Come back another day. Bam, 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 bam. There we go. Okay, now we got to see if this is going to work, but I need my glasses and I need my mask. I can't get to sleep. I think about the implications and diving in too deep, and possibly the complications, especially at night. And I need to mute you. I need a peg. I want to peg up this mask so I can't breathe onto the frickin' goggles every 10 seconds. My nose is too fat. Oh, it's way too big. Conventional pegs will not cut it. Great. Oh well. Just gonna have to try and live with it. don't know if you can see, but my glasses are basically already steamed up. I don't know how to counteract this. How do I stop this from happening? I don't know. Anyway, I've got to mute you. Mute. Okay, it's not good enough. I gotta get a different bit. I've got one more bit up in the top shed that I can use. I mean, that thing just barely touched. Barely touched it. Hey, Leon. Thanks. How's it going? Yeah, at the moment I'm just having to clean up the feet because I'm going to mount it onto a different piece of wood. So, hey, thanks for follow, Leon. So, because it's very hard to clean that up without them breaking apart, I'm trying to use a Dremel to clean those bits up. So, I need to find the right bit, which I have in a different shed. So, I'm going to have to do that again. You're well? Good, good. Found it straight away by some miracle. I swear you just like leave the computer on my stream, your computer on my stream, and have some kind of app or something, some kind of program that tells you when I'm off stream, just so you can copy paste that in there. It's alright, I'm going to mute myself now, so that's your second favourite part. Wait a minute, I've got to attach this first. I've got this little cutting thing here. How the frickin' hell do I get this out of there? Oh, there we go. Alright. Okay. Right, now I'm going to mute myself. Okay, so you can see how we're trying to make the different level on there. That's what I do, take that stuff off. I am wondering if I can, how well I can do this with my knife, so I'm just going to check that for a sec. Not too bad, but I'm putting quite a lot of tension on it, so probably not the best idea for this, considering these end parts are so fragile. We'll see how it goes with the Dremel. If a toenail like flies off, then we might have to consider just using a knife or something. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Muting again for your pleasure. Okay. You know very well, Sin, that I have at least some idea what I'm doing. During some moments. Alright, it's working pretty well. You probably noticed I'm kind of like slipping around the edge sometimes, but luckily it's not been enough to really do any damage or anything. So that's okay. We're about halfway here. So let's see how much further we can get done. I'm glad one of us does. I'm sure you're very good at the thing that you do, Sin, whatever that thing is. Right, muting.